Now, Jamaica's darts team to the 24th edition of the Caribbean Cup returned to the island after a fifth-place finish at the tournament, which was held in the Bahamas. Jamaica last won the title in 1998 and a total of 6 titles since the tournament began. Florida won with 111 points. Second went to the Bahamas and third to Trinidad and Tobago. Jamaica were the youth team winners, and Catherine Stewart won the low dart singles for women, where she threw 15 darts to finish a game.
Sometimes you can be throwing and you end up throwing like 30 darts, 60 darts and stuff. So for me to throw 15 darts, I think I'm very proud of myself. I know that I have it in me, and I'm really looking forward to 2028, which would be different. So I know what to do. I'm just going to go back to the drawing board and come back better next time.
Kalia Cheese, who was the youth singles champion in 2018, is the coach of the team.
The game of darts don't change no matter where you go. It's the same game. I think we just need to work on our nerves and adjusting to all the curveballs and different situations happening around us. We know how to play darts, we know what to do. It's just to execute it regardless of where we are and who we are around.
Kwesi Harty finished third in the singles finisher for the youth division. He believes overconfidence got the better of him.
What was going through my mind was, when I was playing my opponent, I was thinking I was better than him, so that get the best of me. That's why I lost.
Now, team manager Carol Cheese says their performance was good, but the main problem they had was closing out their games.
We went into it with a lot of enthusiasm because we put in a lot of work, we did a lot of training. And in the games, when we were playing, we saw where we improved in areas because we were playing the game, playing strong coming down, but then we recognized that in order to finish a game, you need to hit a double, and that is where we found we had some issues because nobody outplayed any of our players at the tournament, but we were having some issues just closing out the games.
The next championship will be held in the Cayman Islands in 2028.